Okay, the time is 4 o'clock, and like I said, we are here in the place property of Diri Jose Initiatives Incorporated. It's an organization that caters talents and also especially artists. So that's what's happening here is we are developing this area. We're making this more nice, So we're putting rocks on the sides, and some of the guys here are cutting the tall grass here. Okay, so here's the okay. So these are the guys. That's one there. That's Paulo. Paulo, very good boy. He is well behaved. He behaves so well. And here's another one, a young artist.